Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? HTML form, input, label, select, and more. Let's start coding. Let's create first another file, forms.html. And let's create a HTML structure by typing exclamation mark, then press top button. Let's close that site. Let's give a title, form, and save it and make our website live and see the changes. Let's start create our first form. Before creating first form, I want to talk more about form. What is the aim of the form? Forms are sending data to another page or to the database. We will have a look at them more in our future project. Let's start form. Form has action and then also another method. Action is a targeting page or method. For example, if your method in another page, let's say action.php, and method is a method. That means when you click the submit button, form sends all data to action file, and we need a method too. So method, if you need to send the data to another page, you need to use post method, or if you want to get some data from another page, you need to use get method. We will talk more about them later. And our first element in the form is going to be label. Let's say for username, and let's text here username. Save it. You see, it is just label. And let's use another one, input. Input is data entering area, and the data type is going to be text for this input. Let's give a name, username. Let's put another label, password. And let's save it. You see, password is under the username. Let's put another input area for password. Input. This time we should change the type of the input. We should type password. I showed the difference between them, and then you can give a name, password. We will use name later, and let's save it. You see, when you type something, just put dot rather than text itself because of type. That is the difference, text and password. When you type something, you can see what you type, but when you type here, you can't see what you type. Let's put another input for submit, and it must be submit because we are going to send a data to another page. And let's give value login and save it. You see, the value is appealed on the button. Let's have a look at another form. Let's put HR form. We created a form tag, and let's put a label. Let's say car, and choose a category. Select, let's say categories and categories. I don't want to talk more about name and IDs at the moment because we will use that things in future. We will use for different purposes, sending data, assigning style, and then etc. We created select tag. Then let's put options on it. Value, let's say HTML, and HTML. Value might be different than text itself. Let's create another one and another one. CSS SAS. I need to change the value as well. If I don't change the value, let's say you can select the SAS and submit the button to send the form, it will send HTML as a data because the value is HTML, not SAS. So let's change that value to, and let's save it. Select a category, a drop down option, and you can select any value you want. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.